In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add your business to Snapchat Map. This boosts local visibility by making it easier for nearby users to discover your location while browsing the map. To do this, simply head to Snapchat. You want to head to the map section. Now here, tap onto this settings gear icon at your upper right. Navigate into the section of support. You want to head to suggest a place. On this page, start with entering in the name of the place. Tap right here to also fill in your exact address. Now on category, select the type of your business. And on attributes, enter what you are most known for. Proceed by entering in your opening and closing hours. Then your business website. That's if you have one. Enter your phone number and also the photos of the place. Now once everything is set, tap on Submit. Snapchat won't take long before replying to you via email. And eventually your business will be visible to public on Snapchat Map. Well, that's how easy it is to add your business or place on Snapchat Map. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.